Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you what you have to do if you receive your text SMS messages but you don't receive, you don't hear, there is no sound and notification. What you have to do: open your message client, tap on those three dots, now go to settings, go to general settings, and now tap on notification. First, notification must be allowed. If your notification is allowed, then you have to enable notification tone. So turn it on, and you have several settings here, like vibration on SMS when you receive SMS message, and notification tone on and off. Okay, if you found this video useful, please leave me the comment in the comment section below, and of course subscribe to my channel. See you.